Just want to share with you another journal that I've made, and this one is again a mix of all sorts of different things. It's rather chunky. There is 92 pages in this. It's a traveller's notebook size. It's got a rustic cover. This was inspired by Artie Mays, as in using all your packaging and layering it up and gluing it together to create a nice cover. This is actually really nice and sturdy. I've just stitched around the edge. We've got some burlap. This image is a freebie tag, but I just chopped the top off, and it's from Artie Mays, and I've sewn that onto some coffee dyed paper, and then I've just put the word remember here. This will be listed in my shop if you're interested. So let's go inside, and I'll mention you know, what's what and from who as I go through the journal. So as you can see, the inside cover is just plain. It's like a craft colour. I've actually absolutely got loads and loads of this, so I'll definitely be making more covers for journals. This is a digital kit from Artie Mays, and it's one of our collage kits. Here we have a Rita Donnelly flip up with a doily, a ticket and a butterfly with some pink eyelash trim. We have some stamping there. A large tag. This is another freebie tag from Artie Mays, and I've just sewn that onto coffee dyed paper. A tag that I made, a little mason jar. This is actually a stamp, and I just stamped it onto some designer cardstock. There's a doily, some edge punching. We've got a paper bag here. This was another freebie from Artie Mays. I just made that into like a little double journaling card. Here we have one of these lovely envelopes. There's nothing in the envelope, but I've just popped that on there like so with a paper clip, and it holds this. Excuse me. Some lined paper. It's all been coffee dyed. This is some book page, all about flowers and plants. Some journaling paper, another digital page from Artie Mays. Here we have a Terri Woods flip out, and that's linked below if you want to go over and check the channel out, so that you can find out how to make these. And obviously that's decorated with another doily, a ticket and a butterfly. Sorry, I've still got my sore throat. Large tag. A tag. This again is a freebie from Artie Mays. This is on her website and on her Facebook group. The Facebook group is called Artie Mays and Friends, if you want to search that, and if you haven't already joined. Another one of these mason jars, just pops in there. Another doily, some edge punching. Got an envelope here which you can tuck things in the side. Some digital letters from the old design shop. Here we just have an old letter again from the old design shop, and I've done the raggedy edging with the ruler, and that just pops on there. This is from Tsunami Rose. Some more just coffee dyed paper. Some more Artie Mays digital paper. Here is this is something a little bit different for me. Let's make sure I've not glued it all down here. So this just opens up like so, so you've got all that journaling space, and folds back up like that, so you can do lots of journaling. And doily, ticket and a butterfly. A large tag. A tag from Artie Mays again, that's another freebie. And then this tag here. A doily, some edge punching, paper bag, some digital paper from the old design shop, and this paper clip doesn't want to play. Another vintage letter, the raggedy edging, some more ephemera from Tsunami Rose, some square paper, this book page, images are lovely. Centre of the signature, and that's just obviously the other side of that book page. Here we have some ephemera, another digital letter, the raggedy edging, and it's just paper clipped on there. Other side of the paper bag, the edge punching, the doily. Here's another one of these little flip out things that I made. Probably glued that down there just a tad. And it just is like that. Doily ticket and a butterfly, large tag, another freebie from Artie Mays, and a stamped and stenciled tag, some ephemera here, and an old, I think this might be a dictionary page or some form of definition. I haven't got a clue, it's in French. And oops, and that's just popped on there. The other side of the envelope, which is a window, so you can pop something in there and you can see it through the window. This is another Terri Woods inspired pockets and flip outs. Flips out, flips up and down, and you've got all this space. Again, doily ticket and a butterfly, a large tag, and another freebie from Artie Mays. They've all been sewn onto coffee dyed paper. Another tag here, and then another little mason jar, and then the paper clip just holds it closed like that. Another book page, some florals, and another one of these. Again, that's a freebie from Artie Mays. These come in 2 sizes, and then this envelope, and then that's just paper clipped on there. With the other side of the paper bag, some edge punching, a doily, and a Rita Donnelly flip here. And oops, we have a large tag, a tag from Artie Mays, again sewed onto coffee dyed paper, a stamped tag, and a little mason jar, doily ticket and a butterfly. And that is the back page. So as you can see, it's rather chunky, but you know, if you take it all out, it's not going to be that chunky. Like I said, this will be listed in my shop if you're interested. The link will be below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thank you for watching. Bye.